Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your device ready. Open the native camera or a trusted QR app because many phones read codes natively. Once done, position the product so the code fills about 1/4 to 1/3 of the screen. Make sure lighting is even and remove any reflective stickers. Hold steady, about 6 to 12 inches away, and let the camera autofocus. You will get a quick visual cue when it recognizes the matrix. Now wait for the prompt. When the camera detects the QR, a banner or card appears. Tap it to see the destination or action. Pause and inspect the URL or app prompt to verify it matches the product brand. This prevents phishing or unrelated redirects. If the camera struggles, make small distance adjustments or toggle the flashlight for low light. For stubborn focus, switch to a QR app with manual focus controls. Once the preview looks correct, proceed by tapping the action and continuing the flow. After tapping the recognized QR action, follow the website flow. Read product details, complete registration, or finish checkout as instructed. Make sure to verify site security and consider taking a screenshot or bookmarking for warranty or reference. If the code opens an app, grant minimal permissions and check app legitimacy. If scanning fails, clean the camera lens, enable QR scanning in settings, restart the camera or app, and try again. These quick fixes resolve most common scanning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.